Immerse yourself in a culinary journey back to the 1960s, where the story of Francesinha do Porto begins. This iconic Portuguese sandwich wasn't just a meal, it was the brainchild of one man, Daniel da Silva. A Portuguese émigré returning from France, he brought home more than memories. He brought an idea, one that would revolutionize the food scene in Porto. Inspired by the French croque monsieur, da Silva decided to adapt this dish to the Portuguese palate. He began with a foundation of bread and piled on wet-cured ham, linguiça and fresh sausage. A hearty layer of steak or roast meat was then added, followed by a blanket of melted cheese. But the real magic happened when it was all doused in a hot, thick tomato and beer sauce, creating a culinary masterpiece. And so the Francesinha do Porto was born. It was not just a sandwich. It was a masterpiece that encapsulated the spirit of the city. Like any great masterpiece, the Francesinha do Porto evolved over time, adapting to the changing tastes of its patrons. As the years rolled by, this culinary icon began to embrace a variety of flavors, reflecting the versatility and openness of Portuguese cuisine. This traditional sandwich transformed, introducing vegetarian versions that replaced meat with grilled vegetables and tofu. Seafood variations emerged featuring succulent prawns and fresh fish layered between the bread, offering a taste of Porto's coastal influences. Notable establishments, such as Café Santiago and Bufete Fase, have become synonymous with Francesinha. Café Santiago, with its secret sauce recipe and high-quality ingredients, has become a must-visit destination for food lovers. Bufete Fase, on the other hand, offers a more traditional take on Francesinha, preserving the original recipe while adding their unique twist. Francesinha's evolution is a testament to Porto's inventive spirit, forever pushing culinary boundaries. Today, Francesinha do Porto stands as a symbol of Porto's culinary heritage, a must-experience for any food lover visiting the city. This iconic sandwich, with its layers of succulent meats, melted cheese, and rich tomato beer sauce, is a gastronomic delight that's become synonymous with Porto's vibrant food culture. Immerse yourself in the Francesinha experience at the numerous festivals held in the city throughout the year, where you can sample variations of this beloved dish from different establishments. For those who wish to take a piece of Porto home, there are cooking classes dedicated to teaching you the art of crafting the perfect Francesinha. The Francesinha's fame isn't confined to Portugal. Its unique combination of flavors has earned it recognition on international food scenes, with many claiming it to be one of the best sandwiches in the world. Whether you're a foodie or a culinary adventurer, the Francesinha do Porto offers a taste of Porto's history, its people, and their love for good food.